What's up everybody, it's Michael Lauder from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove bifold doors so we can go ahead and get all the hardware out of the way and install vinyl plank flooring. So check it out. The removal part is pretty easy. Open the door all the way up, push up, swing out, and it's out. Simple as that. So that's the easy part there. We're going to get both of these out of the way real quick. Pop that out. Now that these are out of the way, we actually want to get rid of the hardware on the floor too. It's going to make it easier for us to install our plank. So see if I can get you a view of this here. But you see the little floor tabs here where the bottom of the bifold locks into. You don't want to spend time cutting around that with your plank because it'll end up looking like crap for sure. So we're just going to take a regular Phillips screwdriver. Loosen up these screws. Now, without a doubt, the removal is the easy part. Putting them back in can be a pain in the butt at times, so I will shoot a video showing a couple of tricks on that as well. But see, we got that out of the way, and we'll actually notch this out so our plank can slide right under that and give it a nice, smooth finish. Here's the other one over here. Do the same thing, just got two screws going into the wall. Sometimes you have one going into the floor right here. We don't have that in this particular case, so this is an easy removal for us. And for you really handy guys, I got the electric screwdrivers. This would go even faster. But a regular Phillips will get the job done. So you just get these two screws out. Four days later. Boom. Both are out, good to go. We'll notch this out as well so our plank can slide under there and it'll give it a nice smooth finish. So I'm going to show step by step in this series here how to do vinyl plank from start to finish. Be sure to subscribe, comment below if you have any questions. I'll create a video for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.